Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Share Support. Today I will show you how to remove background using the magnetic mask tool in Final Cut Pro. It's quick, clean and perfect for isolating people or objects without using a green screen. So let's get started. So first let's drag the video clip. Now go to Effect over here and search magnetic mask. Here is this effect. Now drag it over here clip. Now we need to click on the object where we want to add this magnetic mask effect. Let's click here. It is selected. Now click Analyze over here. It will analyze all her hand movements and every movement of her. Now click Done. And now just go over here, go to background and drag any background you like, place it below the clip and let's play it. And you can see the background has been removed. If you really found this video helpful, do hit the like button and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.